Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPJPY, British Pound, Japanese Yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD, and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of GBP JPY in front of us right now. And as you can clearly see on the chart that there was a huge sell on the British Pound Japanese Yen yesterday. And right now you can see that though market is trying to go up, but the buying pressure is missing here. You can see that price is being rejected from above, and in comparison to this selling pressure, these green candles are nothing. Therefore, one thing is very much certain that right now sellers are dominating the market, because you can see that there was a huge sell-off. And if we look at the overall chart here, then overall chart is also speaking the same language. You can clearly see that the overall chart is also very much towards the downside, and whenever market was trying to go up, it was facing resistance from above. And you can see that we can also join these price levels with the help of a trend line, and after drawing this trend line, we get a very strong resistance, a dynamic resistance in the market. So my dear friends, if you do not have these lines in your charting platform, then I'll request you to draw these levels and lines one by one, so that you can also do proper analysis and understand the market better. So one thing is very much clear, that this market is in downtrend. Trend is towards the downside. Sellers are dominating the market. Therefore, what is the thumb rule of the market? It's follow the trend. Follow the trend means if a market is an uptrend, we should mainly look for buying opportunities, and if a market is a downtrend, or if you see a downtrend market, you should mainly look for selling opportunities. And as you can clearly see on the chart that GBP JPY is in downtrend, therefore it will be wise for us to look for selling opportunities only. And see, as I have already discussed, that just imagine the selling pressure here. So easily you can understand that the selling pressure is extremely high. Okay, but if we go to the Forex sentiment meter here, this is a Forex sentiment meter, and you will find the Forex sentiment meter on my website avilashhazarika.com under Forex 101 section. You will see that 79% retail traders have taken long position, and only 20% retail traders have taken short position. And as we all know, 90% retail traders lose money, and this is the main reason why they lose money, because they they fail to follow the trend of the market. They always stand against the trend of the market, and as a result, they always lose money. See, this is the market. Okay, this is the market, and you can just imagine how sellers are dominating the market. And in this market, 79% retail traders have taken long position, and this is the main reason why they lose money. Okay, so mm, and apart from this, recently, my dear friends, I have also launched a pro trader membership program. You can be a part of my analysis, where I'll be sharing my regular analysis, my homework with you all guys, so that you do not miss the best trading opportunities on the market. And if you want to know more, then you just go through the information, or click on the Pro Trader tab here. You'll find all the necessary information. Okay, so we are back to the chart again. So what should be our strategy? So strategy is simple. We should mainly look for area of values here. Area of values, I have always been talking about this concept in hundreds of my videos. Okay, I have already talked. Area of value is the best trading opportunity, or the best trading spot. In a downtrend market, the best trading opportunity, or the safest trading opportunity, is always near the resistance. So first and foremost, okay, the level number one remains the same, or the price, this trend line is the best trading opportunity. So my dear friends, I'm not saying that market will be going up today. You'll get the opportunity today, but in the future also, in the coming days also, whenever market will be going up, this trend line will be acting as a valid resistance, and you'll get a good opportunity to short the market. Therefore, please mark this trend line or draw this trend line, because this trend line is the best trading opportunity and the first and the safest trading opportunity in the GBP JPY chart. So if market reverses in the future also, you can easily short the market at the trend line. Clear? On the other hand, you can see that right now market is trading far away from this trend line. Market is trading far away from this trend line. And generally in a position like this, we should not assume from our end that market will be going for a trend reversal. We should not never do that. So you can see that I have also drawn a level here. Okay, I have also drawn a level here. So we must wait for consolidation so that we do not short the market, okay, right now. So shorting the market right now or right away will not be a very good decision. We will not get the better price. To get the better price, you must wait for the perfect opportunity. So let the market go up from here. Okay, listen to me carefully now. Let the market go up from here, and when market will be reaching this particular level here, 151.50 level. Okay. When market will be reaching the 151.50 level, just observe the price. Just see how the price is doing, how the price is reacting. If you see that price is struggling near the 151.50 level, then you'll get a confirmation that yes, time has come for the market to go down again, to reverse again. So you can easily short the market. See, the concept is very simple. If you want to slap someone, okay, if you want to slap someone very hard, what we do, we just take our hand backward so that we can slap him harder. Market also does the same thing, so that it can go down further or it can go up further. It always gathers strength. So market also gathers strength in this manner. Therefore, wait for the market to go up. When market will be reaching the 151.50 level, just observe the price and see. If price reverses from 151.50 level, short the market again. So first trading opportunity is shorting the market at this trend line. Second trading opportunity is shorting the market at 151.50 level. And third is, okay, in case there is a fall in the market, do not short, not short. Just wait for the market to reach this level, 149.60 level. This level is a strong support for the market because this level belongs to the weekly chart. This is the weekly chart of GBP JPY. Here you can see that right now the market is bullish. Okay, and if I remove the drawings, you can clearly see that market is respecting this support line since March. So market is respecting the support line since March. Therefore, we can hope that market will be respecting 149.60 again. Once you see that market is bouncing from 149.60 level, definitely it's a buy call. Okay, so definitely it's a buy call on GBP JPY at 149.60 level, because this level belongs to the weekly chart, the time frame of the institutional traders, the big boys. Therefore, keep your eyes on these levels and please draw these lines also so that you do not miss the opportunity. That's it. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow again. Bye bye.